Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can sell on Ecwid, so let's get right into it. Now, once you create your store on Ecwid, you will be prompted with sort of a questionnaire, which will help you set up your store for the purposes that you state. Now, I have set up a store for services and so on and so forth, and once you set up your store, you'll arrive at your dashboard. From here, you're going to go over into payment to set up your payment options. As you can see, you can connect to Stripe and you can connect to PayPal, as well as use manual payment methods and more options to accept online payments in your country. I've selected Poland just for the purposes of this tutorial, and you can select whichever ones you would like. You can also use payment alternatives and accept payments with your preferred payment processor if you want to, and you can allow payment by cash. Once that's set up, you will need to go to your catalog, go into your products, of course, and you'll have some placeholder products which you can delete, but you can also add new products such as this, and you can upload an image or upload images, add a name, add a SKU. Weight is going to be 0, which I'll do like that because it doesn't require shipping or anything. You just name it test. And once that's done, you set up the pricing, for example, €5. Product availability is going to be enabled. Stock control is going to be in stock. And then I'm going to click save and then click add the new product. And now if we go into our products, I'll just leave this page. It should be right at the bottom over here, and that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you can modify your website as well, and once people visit your website, they'll be able to actually pay for your services or your product, and once they buy them, you'll be able to ship them to them if they're physical products, or just deliver it however you want. And that's pretty much how you sell on Ecwid. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.